Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and we did an overseed with the root and grow. We didn't fleece this, and as you can see, it is absolutely incredible. Well happy with that. Look at that. I'm showing you now that there's plenty of growth in here. So that was easy. We solid tined it, and then we put our then we put our seeds down. Boston Seeds Premier. You know I love that seed. So then I put my root and grow over the seed, and then I seeded over, some for Nick, some for the birds, and I tell you what, the sward is just so thick. So we need to give it, it's 2 weeks old, did it at a hot bank holiday Monday. I must apologise for the root and grow theme song. Well, I don't apologise for the theme song actually. Apologise for uploading just a music video, but it was so good. I mean, TikTok, it had over 400,000 views, incredible. But YouTube doesn't like music videos, especially a long one, right? So, don't you start playing that root and grow music again, blimey. Right, so we're going to give it its first mow, and then I'll take you over the canopy. Actually a game changer to do that, because we have a lot of pigeons here and the results were incredible. So I wish I did the other lawn with root and grow really. Moving forward, we probably will use root and grow on the other lawn. I'll take you over that one in a bit. We stressed that one out with the power rake to stress the POA. We try to control the POA here with power raking and vertical mowing. You'll see that in the future. There's lots more to come from these lawns here at Nick's. So both are Boston Seeds Premier, but this is done with root and grow. That was just done with solid tine, aeration, and drop the seed in with watering. We get what we get. A little bit of washout in there. Right, so I'm rambling again, aren't I? Right, I'm gonna get the ego on it. Cut high. When you've got root and grow down, don't suck it up. You will suck it up. You think, well, the sward's so thick, you won't suck it up. Trust me, cut it on 4. It's better to check it and check your box. Don't hoover you up your money, right? So let's get a mow on. Number 4 first. Check what we get in the bag. Okay, so that's on number 4, no root and grow. Barely taking any tips off, only the stragglers. So I'm going to do a pass on number 3 and make sure I don't get any root and grow in the box. Down 1 click. That's perfect, number 3. Wouldn't go less than that on this mower anyway. If you do have a hater and a professional mower, remember they have the ability to scalp. This doesn't. You could put it on number 1, doesn't scalp. So think, if it's a 3 here, it's probably a 4 on a professional hater. Right, let's get it mowed. So quite a bit off of there. It's a bit wet, but look at that. And some leaves, some debris, but no compost, no root and grow. So number 3, perfect. Right, I'll take you over the canopy. That is incredible for its first mow. 2 weeks, you know this. Okay, just look at that. this is 2 weeks. I think the one over there, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is 3 weeks. They both had the same treatment, but that one's a week older. And I did put some Boston Seeds Kiss My Grass Summer Slow Release granules. I went over at about 40% rate. So this has had less granular feed because it's newer. That's had a full dose over there, so that will play catch up. But I'm going to show you the difference between doing the root and grow and no root and grow, and just they've all had the same, apart from that one didn't have the root and grow, but it had the solid tine aeration, and we dropped the seed in there. We're chasing the POA out. I told you, we're crowding the POA out. So now we need to think about irrigation, because we don't want to keep flicking that water. When we're doing our new grass seedlings, we need to keep the moisture on the top. We need to stop that now and then do less watering, because you're going to promote the POA. We're going to strangle them out now. And that was incredible, because there's a lot of POA in here. And I'll take you over anyway, and then I'll show you this long, because I know I keep rambling, but I'm trying to get it across to you that you can do this, and this was made easy. Bit of elbow grease, spend a bit of time, it's worth doing, especially the way the world is today. So let's take you over it. Okay, it's a bit awkward with my shadow there, but you can see the density of the sward. Look at that. Yeah, right across. That is absolutely amazing, guys. Let's go back and show you from here. Sorry about the shadow, but you know you want the sun behind you. So that is that long, looking amazing. And then we come across to this. We had a lot of POA in here, all around the edges. Still some seed heads, but you can see them there. We're stressing them out. We're working on them. So, see them dying? They're stressed. They're white, which helps kill them out. Trust me, regular mowing as well. So look at the difference in colour. But that had a feed literally 4 days ago, 5 days ago. So that will come on strong. Both lawns, Boston Seeds Premier. In 2 weeks this will be really popping, and then we start drip feeding it, my NV feed. So yeah, so again, that's that lawn, and then we come across to that one. So the root and grow has been giving this a nice slow release feed. So it's like a pre-seed fertiliser, protects it from the pigeons that live up there. No brainer, guys, absolute no brainer. And a tiny little bit of Kiss My Grass on there. So this one is done. It is beautiful. So moving forward, we will be putting root and grow on here because it makes sense, and no need to fleece. So the money's the same. It pays for itself. This is going to pop soon, guys. Yeah. So I'll show you out the back quickly, and then I'll sign off. Okay, look at this. This is the Boston Seeds Child's Play, and there's a couple of wheatgrasses. There's actual some like a Yorkshire fog annual meadow grass. That is not Parania, that's real thick leaf. Them two need to come out, so we get them. Can't have those in the lawn. We can deal with power. We can deal with that quite easy. So that's had the Kiss My Grass Summer Slow Release feed 5 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago. It's had some rain over it. It's going to get warm now, but we just monitor the subsoil, keep the moisture down rather than on top now. But this was just seeded with the solid tine aerator, and we just dropped out 20 kilos, about 17, 18 kilos actually, of the Boston Seeds Child's Play. So yeah, we got a lot of growth. Trust me on that, we got a lot of growth. So listen, we're all long. I think Nick's got a beer waiting for me there. There it is, see? What a good customer, yeah? That's a good customer. It's always good here. He's got a beautiful garden as well. Some people moan he doesn't have enough plants, but we like lawns, and we're lawn nerds. We're all lawn nerds together, so thanks for watching. Root and grow, definitely a much better result, but if you want to do it easily, you can still do it, but punch them holes, get your scarification done, collect it, power rake it, stress those weed grasses, get some holes in. We punched lots of holes in this lawn, and then we just dropped that seed, lawn looted it in, and we watered, and then we had some rain, thank God. And this is the result. We have loads of grass, new growth, and that will push across and stress the weed grasses. But I must get those two because they're bad boys. Anyway, love you all guys. Thanks for watching. If you didn't listen to that music video, go and check it out. It's funny. I made that. People were asking, who's the artist? I want to listen to the rest of the album. It was OCD Lawn Care. We wrote the lyrics and we used AI to do the music. So yeah, funny, right? So love you all. See you soon. See you real soon at the next one. Bye bye for now.
5x organic matter, 7x the nitrogen hit, greens it up thick, makes your grass legit.